You're in your 40s and 50s and you want to invest, but you think it's too late. Well, this is going to be the last video you'll ever need to have a $1 million net worth in the next 5 years. My name is Preston, and I quit my multi-six-figure job to help you become financially free. So if you find this video helpful, give me a follow and also save this video for later. Here are the 3 strategies that I would use. Number 1, you can convert your 401k into a self-directed IRA with a company like Directed IRA or Rocket Dollar, penalty and tax-free. You can then convert that into a Roth self-directed IRA. You have to pay taxes on the amount for that year, but now everything after that will grow tax-free. 90% of millionaires own real estate. You can buy 1 or 2 investment properties a year in the Midwest or South within your Roth self-directed IRA. Number 2, open up a Roth IRA on Wealthfront, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, etc. Roth IRAs are great because earnings and withdrawals are going to be tax-free. If you're 50 or younger, you can contribute the max of $6,500 a year, or if you're 50 and older, you can contribute up to $7,500 a year. My favorite ETFs and index funds to invest in are VOO, VTI, and SPY. VOO has a solid 11.92% return over the last 10 years, and the companies that make up this ETF are rock solid. Number 3 is the most important. It's time to scale a side business and turn it into a full-time income. I have hundreds of students who've been able to scale to 5 figures a month like Rob. You'll start to reach out to landlords that have properties listed for rent in tourist-friendly areas. Negotiate a sublease agreement where in exchange for free property management and extra rent, you have written permission to list it on Airbnb. Furnish the place with $10,000 to $20,000, add amenities, and if you run the numbers correctly, one property can generate $2,500 a month in cash flow. Save up that cash flow, go get another